Go.
Good morning, class. Can we all stand? Jason, can you lead the prayer? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Good morning, grade 9 Diamond. Okay, before you take your seat, kindly pick up pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly, okay? Attendance monitor, who is absent today? Brent? It's okay. Take note of that. A reminder, class, that tomorrow will be your final exam, so I want you to settle all your accounts because no permit, no exam. What was our last topic yesterday? Yes, Rose. It's voice, exactly. What are those two types of voice? Yes, Shane. It's active voice and passive voice, exactly. So and now we're going to have our activity. It is entitled Complete Me. Okay? So at the back of your chairs, there are broken pieces of heart, and you're going to find its partner with your classmate. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute. Are you done? Okay, Anne, can we see your work? Nice. How about you, Jason? Good. Okay, so very good. And now I want you to I want you to give your ideas about this picture. What this picture represents? Yes, Ken. It's love. Exactly. It is love. So I have a questions for you. Question for you. What is love? Yes, Paul. Love is helping one another. How about you, Alma? Mutual respect. And how about you, Bea? Honesty and trust. All your answers are correct because love is a set of emotions and behavior characterized by intimacy, passion, and commitment. It involves care, protectiveness, attraction, affection, and trust. Okay, so now I have here words, and you're going to give your definition. Okay, we have here number 1, flashback. So, what do you think is the meaning of the flashback? Yes, John. Yes, it is remembering the past. Example. Very good. How about this one? Yes, Kim. Exactly. It is a raised platform that is connected to the of the building. Example. Yes. How about this one? Yes, Alfie. Okay. We have this a small round stone. Example. Okay. How about this one? Yes, Lucas. Yes, it is a set of stairs and it's structured. Example, read everyone. Okay, and last one is yes, Ruby. Okay, it's to ask in a very serious and emotional way. Example. Okay, so now I have here a photocopies of the lyrics of the song, which is entitled The Love Story by Taylor Swift. So, okay, can you pass it forward? Okay. You're going to read and listen the lyrics of the song, and afterwards, I'm going to ask you questions. Are you ready? Are you ready to listen the song of Taylor Swift? At the back, are you ready? Okay. Yeah, so what did you feel when you hear the song? You feel in love, exactly. So I want you to answer this question. Who are the lovers mentioned in the song? Yes, Bella. It's Romeo and Juliet, exactly. How about this one? How do the character express their love to each other? Yes, Shane. Yes, they express their love by pursuing their love, and they fought for their love to each other. Okay, so we have also what does the story imply about love? Yes, Kyla. Very good. It is the message that was trying to imply about love is sacrifice. Good. And can love change the world? Yes. No. In what way? Yes, Lynn. Okay. So when we have love to ourselves, within ourselves, we could also give love to others. Exactly. Okay. So now, before we proceed to our proper discussion, let us know first what is our objective. Okay, can you read everyone? Okay, so you're going to analyze how this literature is very important in connecting to the world. Okay. Our topic is entitled The Love Story of Romeo and Juliet. So, who is the author of this Romeo and Juliet? Yes, it's William Shakespeare. So, who is William Shakespeare? He was he was a greatest playwright, actor, and poet, and he was born on April 1565 and died on 1616. And he was the greatest and his greatest and known piece was Romeo and Juliet. Okay? So, look at your photocopies at the back. Okay. At in your photocopies, there is a designated numbers that is represent to your group. So, I group you into 6. This will be the group 1, the group 2, the group 3, the group 4, the group 5, and the group 6. Okay, so you're going to analyze and explain and give your ideas on how and what are those the story of Romeo and Juliet. Okay, so afterwards you're going to I stand corrected. You're going to give your ideas and choose your leader. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes. Are you done? Okay. So, group 1, are you ready? Okay, present your answer. Okay. How about the group 2? Okay. The group 3? Yes. Group 4? Okay. And group 5? Yeah. And last group? Exactly. So you've learned something to our topic, everyone. So now, I want you to answer this question. Do you think that love was the biggest and important thing in this world? Yes, Neil. Yes, because this love this is the biggest and very significant things that we have as a human, because when we have love to ourselves, we could also give love to others. Okay, so I want you to get 1/4 sheet of paper, and I want you to answer this. Okay, we have here the word love. So I want you to give your own meanings and or definitions out of this word LOVE, and that pertain to the song that you've sung a while ago. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes. Are you done? Okay, pass your papers at the center L and then forward. Okay. All your answers are correct. I remind you, class, that our topic that we had today is not the actual or not the whole story of the Romeo and Juliet, but we were going to discuss the whole story of Romeo and Juliet for the following days. Okay. Am I understood? Okay, so get your notebook, I stand corrected, and copy your assignment. So this will be your assignment. You're going to study in advance the Romeo and Juliet and answer this question. What particular part of the story touches you most? Why? Okay, are you done copying? Okay, so before you leave your chairs, kindly pick up some pieces of paper. Okay, and arrange your chairs properly. Okay, for the wrap up, so what is our topic for today? Yes, anyone? It's the love story of Romeo and Juliet by, who is the author? William Shakespeare. Very good. You've learned something, everyone. So, goodbye, class. Okay, thank you.